Okay, homemade minced meat. You never buy minced meat again from the supermarket out after watching this video. So new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to get our chopping board. We apply our beef. Make sure that it has no bones, it has no fats. Then you're going to start chopping the what? Chopping the beef. So you get a knife and you also get a chopping board. You put on the floor, then start chopping the beef. So start chopping the beef. After chopping, you start mincing, because we need it finally minced. We need it finally minced. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So this minced meat, we can use it in making chops, making kebabs, making meatballs, making the samosas, etc. So don't buy minced meat again. Just go at the butcher, buy your beef, request for the beef without the bones, or if it has bones, you fillet it. Then after you do what? After you mince it, you see what I have. Finally mince the meat. Finally mince the meat. And after, if you have a fridge, you pack it and freeze it in the what? In the fridge. It is good to go. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for the new viewers. Don't forget to share with each and everyone for the new what? For the new viewers. So when you reach that point, when you take through the small knife and it is passing through, that means your minced meat what? Your minced meat is ready. So see you next time.